Welcome to this video on how to make a carrot bead. To make this bead, we will need some very basic tools and supplies. A poking tool, a knife or shaping tool, a dipped mandrel, and some glass. For this video, we are using a 332 mandrel and 4 colors of 104 soft glass, which are white, black, green, and orange. Begin by pulling stringers of the white, black, and green glass, which will be used later for the carrot's eyes, nose, and hair. The body of the carrot is an orange cone-shaped bead. I find it easier to make a cone by first making a barrel. Once the orange glass has been added to the mandrel, make sure it is nice and round. To make the barrel shape, gently roll the glass on the marver or your shaping tool. Then by simply angling the mandrel, shape the barrel bead into a cone. Try not to make the point of the cone too thin. There's a risk of it cracking if it is too thin. Next, we will create the eyes. I like to make one eye bigger than the other, so start with the larger eye by placing one medium-sized dot on the upper third of the cone. With the shaping tool, gently press this dot down. Then just beside the larger eye, place a smaller white dot for the second eye, and press it down. We will come back a little later to add the pupils to the eyes. I find that this is a good time to add the mouth. This is done by heating the area just below the eyes and using any type of poking tool to make a little dent for the mouth. Time to add the nose by placing a small dot of green glass just below the eyes. This dot gets pressed down to make sure it is properly attached to the bead. If you want the nose to stick out a little more, just add more glass. Now it's time to add a little texture to the skin of the carrot. Gently heat sections of the bead, and with the knife or shaping tool, make little angled grooves all the way around the bead. Then we finish the eyes by adding small dots of black glass for the pupils. Gently press the dots down. Remember to reheat the whole bead, but try not to melt in all the texture that was just added. To finish off the bead, add 3 dots to the top of the carrot for hair. Press the base of these dots down and add some heat to the base to make sure they are really melted in to help make sure they don't break off later. And there you have a carrot bead. Thank you for watching. Have fun torching!